This video demonstrates LED blink with NodeMCU using the Johnny-Five library. Let's break down the JavaScript code step by step. 1. Importing required libraries. This code imports the EtherPort client module from the EtherPort client library, and the Five module from the Johnny-Five library. The EtherPort client module is used to establish a connection to an Arduino board over Wi-Fi using the standard firmware Wi-Fi protocol, while the Five module is a popular JavaScript framework for working with Arduino boards. 2. Creating a new board instance. This code creates a new board instance using the Johnny-Five library, and configures it to communicate with an Arduino board over Wi-Fi using the EtherPort client module. The host and port options specify the IP address and port number of the Arduino board respectively. The REPL option is set to false to disable the read-eval print loop functionality on the board. 3. Handling the ready event. This code attaches an event listener to the ready event of the board instance, which is triggered when the board is ready for communication. 4. Configuring and controlling the LED. This code sets up a basic blinking LED example. It declares a variable state to keep track of the LED state, either on or off, and sets the pin number for the LED to 14, which corresponds to the D5 pin on the NodeMCU board. It then configures the pin mode output using this pin mode method, and sets up a loop to toggle the LED state every 500 milliseconds using this loop method. The thisDigitalWrite method is used to set the pin state to either high or low, toggling the LED on and off. Once you have the code written, you can run the code from the terminal. After you have run the code, the program is connected to the NodeMCU and the LED should start blinking. Thank you for watching.